Assalamualaikum Habibi, I'm Saidul Islam. You watching the Saidul 45. Today I information you say visa D1, D2. D1 is business visa and D2 is tourist visa. You go for easily for UK. How to apply for D1 visa? Example, you go to business purpose for the going to UK. You choose the D1 visa. You go UK, you choose D1 visa. You from the download and the submit D1 visa for all information for the website. I provide the decision link and the apply. After you collect for all data, your bank statement, your D1 form, and you where I don't know, you living Dubai, you living Bangladesh, you living Saudi Arab, you living another Middle East country. But you can go choose the UK easy processing visa only 160 maybe dollar. You can go very easily for this country, sorry UK. But you first of all one paper for this collect the easily you apply for the website. Then for you here the example for Dubai. Your owner bank statement, owner nationality ID card, owner passport, and your passport 6 month valid minimum. Maximum 6 month valid passport, and your bank statement, and hotel booking, insurance, and ticket confirmation. Your apartment book the embassy here the Abu Dhabi, one embassy for UK. You go to embassy, apartment date, here the interview processing. Your all documents submit, expect you granted your the visa, you easily going to UK. It's a easy processing, no agency, no dalal. You can go America, just follow the step and the search online. You can find the document. You easily visa for you, not the agency, but you not the writing, not any words spelling you boring. You can go for agency help, anyone help, no problem. You are thus satisfied for men. Just go and help. You properly submit your all document. Inshallah, you get the visa. Have a good day. Bye bye. Saidul information BD. Saidul 45. Subscribe now. Don't forget to subscribe. Assalamu alaikum.